If you're new to our channel, you might not know that modern life is dragging us down. After a run of bad luck and a recent trip to the beautiful Pembrokeshire coast in Wales, we questioned whether we should sell our house and move from weekend van lifers to living full-time on the road.
We know our current van isn't big enough for full-time living, so we've rented this beast of a motorhome, a Roller Team Zafiro 696, to explore the UK's wild Scottish coast. In this video, we're taking a look around our new home for the week and seeing if this motorhome can make up our minds to finally break free from the shackles of our current lifestyle. I'm Andy, and this is my wife Claire. We tour around the UK and Europe in our little van St Christopher of Atlantis. It's a 2016 Vauxhall Bavaro that we converted from a carpenter's van to a camper van in the same style as an unlicensed backstreet plastic surgeon.
He's not perfect, posh or fully thought out, but he has taken us to many places, including Italy, Switzerland and Bradford. While some people are proud of their 22-inch wheels, we are just happy that St Chris still has wheels. As much as we love him, he does have his limitations.
If we're serious about changing our lives, we need to do some real-world testing into the lifestyle. Let us introduce our bit on the side, Rosie. She ain't exactly pretty, she ain't exactly small, but with a kitchen and a toilet, you could say she's got it all. She's 7.54 metres long, she can tow 1,500 kilograms, has a gross weight of 3,500 kilograms, and is 2.35 metres wide. She may not be a lady, but she's all woman.
The brochure says, get the 5-star hotel feeling in the Zafiro 696. Well, we used to love the band 5-star, so this could be just what we're looking for. Sounds lush. Before we take a proper tour, let's get up to date on what happened before our first night in Rosie.
We took the car instead of St Chris because Bradford wants to charge us £9 to enter its clean air zone in the van. We swapped a 1.6 litre diesel van for a 2 litre diesel car because it's better for the environment. The journey starts with an obligatory breakfast, and then we can concentrate on dodging all the potholes under the cleaner air that only £9 compulsory donations can filter. Here we are with Carl from Adventure Van Rental.
Hello.
This guy's an absolute legend. He's handed us over, he's showed us all the way around, and he's really looked after us. We're dead pleased, aren't we, Claire?
We'd recommend it, wouldn't we?
Top guy, yeah.
Thank you very much.
You're very welcome.
Lovely to meet you, my type of customers.
You might be saying that in a week.
It's always been a dream of mine to wild camp. It's always been a dream of Claire's to wee in a van. Now that we've got a toilet on board, it's time to bring two dreams together to make one big wet and wild adventure. So off we go. Let's see what happens and how this works. It's a bit of a beast.
Oh yeah, baby. 4:20 is a good time to get there.
Well,
the fridge is on.
Fridge is on. So we just took one car out.
Initial thoughts?
We got a convoy. I'm totally oblivious as my back end.
A loose back end, baby.
I hope not. What's happening then, Claire? Oh. The keys went missing.
So we're the side of Loch Ness. I'm in a really big motorhome and we've come on a fabulous tour. We're going to do the NC500 Scotland. We're doing our version of it. And I want to show you this beautiful motorhome that we've hired. The key thing about this motorhome is it's got a toilet in it. That means we can wild camp. So tonight we are by the side of the road opposite Loch Ness. It's a beautiful sunny evening, a few midges, and I am going to make a chilli. Well, I've made it last night. I'm just going to reheat it actually. In the pan here. I love this van, well, the motorhome. Do you know why, Andrew?
Why?
Because I can stand up in it.
Yeah, good.
I can walk about in it. You can sit on your lovely reversible seat. Please show everybody. Look at those bad boys.
So we haven't been here that long, but we've already made a little mess. And look what's happened. Mini cheddars came out. Pot scratchings have come out. Oh, and what's this?
What? Thought you weren't getting a drone, Andrew.
Now you said I weren't getting a drone.
And what happened?
Me and Pablo had other ideas. There we go. So we've got some flies in here because it's quite midgy and flyy. If you can see outside, we are being attacked by flies. But
We don't care.
it's got a fly screen. So that's good. Pablo's staying away from them.
Pablo's not too fussed about the motorhome.
We've got loads of storage. We've got like a little sunroof.
That's my organisation box, everybody.
Yeah.
You might notice that from the van, from St Chris.
Yeah. We've got loads of storage. You know
Look in here, yeah.
Still trying to work out how to use it.
Plates, cups.
Yeah.
It's important for us.
That's it. The side here, well, just there is Loch Ness. But we haven't seen no monsters, apart from one.
Very funny. Right, this is the pan, and this is, look at this, everybody.
This is the pan. This is the kitchen, surely.
This is the kitchen. This is the kitchen. Look at that. I've made that.
All right. So what we got here?
So here
three hob burner.
3. You mean that's pretty good going. 3.
3 hob burner.
3 hob burner.
We've got a sink.
Big one.
Where's the water in the bottom?
Just because we've had some pop, haven't we? It's just obviously we're not level, are we? So we've had a bit of pop, haven't we, from the tap.
Right.
This tap doesn't come off.
Yeah. Not for now. Wait and see. You're already making your mark.
Look at this. Cups, bowls.
Yeah.
We can have our chilli in that bowl. That's what we'll do.
Okay.
We've got an oven here. My goodness, there's an oven. Shall I open it?
Yeah.
That's
We've
good.
been listening to that grill pan all the way here.
More storage here, look.
Yeah,
And
lots
this
of
pulls
storage.
out. Look at that. I mean, that pulls out. We don't have anything that pulls out. Well, it pulls out, kind of, but it's not designed to in St Chris, so that's good. Lots of space.
Yeah.
Now, do you know what else is fabulous?
What?
Look at this. It's the world's biggest fridge.
With the world's biggest contents, what we brought.
Well, we're not buying food, you see. We're living off grid.
Don't need to, I don't think.
And then in here's another fridge.
Yeah.
Milk.
Let's have a look. It's too fast.
Oh, well, it's got a lot of beer and wine in it, so I thought I'd.
Well, we can't have that tonight because we're wild camping.
No.
But we are staying at some campsites, aren't we?
Yeah.
So we're going to go responsibly. All right, moving on into the bedroom. Fixed
Massive
bed. Look at that.
It's really good size, that, for 6'4" guys.
Huge.
Yeah, storage at the top. Shall I go around and show you?
Yeah.
Not looked in here yet. Oh, it's like a little wardrobe, look.
Yeah, so we've got somewhere to put us coats.
Yeah.
After all.
Oh, look at this, and there's a light there.
So we should put us coats there. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That's good.
Let's look in here. Loads of storage. I've never had this much storage before.
Skylight.
Yeah. Look, this is the midge net, look.
Midge net, but we've also got a bit of a view of Loch Ness.
Yeah.
Alright, good. So
Closes
that's
up.
nice. Look, there's nice little steps
Yeah.
up. Brought us eco floor.
Shower. Sorry, there's
Shower
got
that's
some
got.
mushrooms in
Oh
it.
look, we've got some mushrooms and some special K
Yeah, we might have them for breakfast.
pasta.
Saving
And
money,
this is
aren't
a
we?
shower.
That's the shower.
I'll
Yeah.
put shower heads off already.
Not sure about that. Look at the top there. Look, we've got a little light thing.
Skylight.
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh, please stand back, sir.
And then the main thing.
That closes there. Look, to make like a big bedroom. By the way, did you know that?
Yeah, I did, yeah.
Toilet.
Oh, look, with some
Woohoo! That's yeah. They're
Don't
just.
put them down there.
No, that's for your armpits.
Okay, good.
You might need another bag.
And then there we've got a sink. Everything. So it's
Yeah.
pretty posh, isn't it?
Yeah, it's fabulous. This is fabulous.
Everything you ever dreamed of. And we found your book then with everything in it.
Yeah.
So that's the itinerary.
Yeah, that's the itinerary that we lost. Right.
So this is the view coming this way then. Nice flooring.
Really nice flooring.
Yeah. But yeah, we've only been...
This is for my cooking.
Yeah.
Hello, baby. This is Pabba's.
Oh, we're missing one bit.
What?
This.
Oh, yeah.
What's your head? It's a bed that comes down from the ceiling.
Very comfortable for 4 people.
So
Yeah,
you
if
can
you've got
have
2
more-
kids or something, yeah.
More things going off.
Oh yeah, the whole thing comes down. And the dining area, which is fabulous, so we can sit here tonight. You can gaze into my eyes.
Yeah. And we've got 2 swivel things. Now I know that we're not even because I took my drone out that has a gimbal. It evens it off.
Okay.
And it looked on a slant, but that's just it.
Oh, I can sit here like this, look.
There we go.
1, 2.
Got a TV there, but I don't think we're going to move away from TV, aren't we?
Yeah.
So, but we like it, don't we?
We love it.
And then this is the view. Obviously, we're showing you outside as well, but this is the view. We are at the side of a road, and the road, when a car comes past, we know about it.
Not too bad, is it?
No, but still.
What's in there? Oh, that's like a power thing. I'll stay away from it.
But it's very nice, very luxurious. We've got it for an entire week to see if we like it.
Oh, what happens if you like it, Andrew?
Take it back. All right.
Look at this.
So this is the first time that you've actually cooked in a camper van.
Yeah. Well, I've cooked for heaters in St Christopher, but of course that was on the machine thing outside.
Machine. This is a proper cook, isn't it?
This is actually properly done, yeah.
Chilli.
It's quite a lot. I hope you're hungry. So it's taken us 7 hours to get here, hasn't it?
7 whole hours.
We did some stop-offs though.
Yeah, I did a few stop-offs.
We had a couple of coffees and we had a stop-off for Pabba's having a wee. We've used how much fuel?
£75, something like that.
Right.
Pablo's got himself a little chair now, aren't you, Pabs?
Pabba's is happy there.
Pabas. Hello. You got yourself a little chair, pal. Yeah, he's got his blanket and all that, and dinner. We're gonna have this dinner, and then experience more of motorhome life at Loch Ness. That's us done. That was very nice, that, Claire.
It was nice, wasn't it?
Yeah, I
Better than a
enjoyed it.
salad.
Better than a salad. So, how did you find reheating it in the van?
Fine. So there's 3 rings. I used the middle ring, but we're not flat, so it wobbled around. It's a really boring update, but people that heat up things in vans need to know this. They feel this pain. So I took it off the middle ring and I put it onto the side ring and balanced it on the edge.
Right.
And that worked brilliantly. Did it on a nice low heat so it didn't boil over. Then I went into the middle and then it was beautiful. And it tastes better when it's warmed up because I made it last night in preparation.
Definitely.
That's an interesting update for you. Lighting's very good in this van.
Oh yeah, it is. We've got midges, we've got flies. This could be a battle. It's very difficult to keep them out when you're in and out.
I've got you some nets for your head. We've got one each.
Are they in the garage outside?
Yeah, they're in the little blue suitcase, I think.
So we've got to go outside into midges to get the thing
Correct.
to stop midges getting
If
us.
you get outside to get your pyjamas, all the clothes in the suitcase, towels. Okay.
Do midges sleep at night? So I put do midges sleep. And Google suggested, does Midge sleep with Lenny?
Midge yo.
Oh, Lenny who?
Henry,
Does Midge sleep with Gordon?
the gopher.
Does Midge sleep with Shy?
Too shy.
My question. Biting midges are most active under calm conditions. They tend to bite around dawn and dusk, but may continue to bite through the night. Don't know, I've got some flies in. Anyway.
Tell me about, that's boring now. Tell me about driving the van.
It's easy. If anybody's not done it before and you're worried, just do it.
How big is this van?
7.5 metres. But you don't feel any different to driving St Chris.
And how long's St Chris?
4.7. We've not curbed it yet. We're not, have we?
No.
So it's all right. You just got to move the nose of the vehicle out a little bit more than what you normally would.
Who told you that?
Simon.
That was your friend you met today, wasn't it?
Yeah. Didn't get Simon's second name, but if you're watching this, Simon, thanks, mate, because that really, really helped.
He's chilling on his new blanket that he likes. So the van rocks, doesn't it?
Oh, it does. First night.
Yeah, it's like a caravan. Isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
We're on a slant and it's the main road really. And when cars go past quite fast, we really do rock, don't we?
Yeah. One of the issues I found is, because I'm 6'4", slipping off. This is me, I've got to have one leg off, I think. Because it's like one of these funny shaped beds.
Good morning. Good morning, Pablo. That's it, first night wild camping, all done. We are very close to the road though. Every time a car comes past, the entire van shakes.
And I'm a bit scared.
One issue was somebody came past fast and then started pipping their horn a lot, which woke us up, but apart from that, it were okay. We're gonna get organised and get ready to go again. What about the bed? Do you think it will comfy?
Very comfortable, yes.
Comfy if you're not 6 foot 4. Oh. Well, actually,
What?
when you look now, you can kind of see why we're rocking everything, because that's the road that people are passing on. That's very
dangerous, this, you know.
Pablo, you got your waterproofs. This is the morning view. So this is where we stayed. As you can see. Now you'd think that people would come down here really slowly, but they don't. Come on then, you can do it. That's it. Go on, good boy. Yay! So open everything up. I swiveled the chair that way last night, just in case we had to make a quick escape, but we didn't. So there's these.
That's a good discussion point, isn't it?
Yeah, they're definitely not very sturdy. Swivel this round, up to the top. There's some lever. No idea. Mega tight. Ooh, yeah. Oh, can't swivel it anymore. Choices for breakfast. We have cereal, blueberries. What scratches?
Breakfast of gods.
Right, it's time to venture out. Turn off the gas and remove the blocks. Beautiful. One of the most stupid locks ever.